Hi, I'm Dr. Patty, and I am talking to you today about body image. I want you to think of your body rather than a commercial, rather than something that is advertising who you are. I want you to think of it as like a home where you can be safe in, a home that's protecting you, a home that is mainly built for you to function in and also to find pleasure in. And how you can do that is I want you to close your eyes if you can. Let's go ahead and close your eyes. And I want you to notice the way that you're feeling in your body right now from the inside out. And if you feel a sense of comfort, if your home feels comforting right now, remind yourself that your body is happy and your body is experiencing potential joy. If you're feeling any discomfort outside of that comfort, I want you to identify where it's coming from. Where is it coming from in your body? Maybe where is it coming from in your mind? And if your body feels maybe too stiff, or it's feeling like, I just feel really uncomfortable right now, what kind of movement would allow you to feel a little bit more fluid, a little bit more flexible? And can you go do that? If you're feeling any sort of pain or maybe even hunger pain, is there a way you can nourish yourself? And maybe it's not hunger, but maybe it's an emotional pain. And what can you do to attend to that? What would, after identifying, what would ease it or what would soothe it? And think of, similar to a home, if there was any sort of pain in a house, you would hire someone that specializes in that, whether it be plumbing or electric, to help ease that pain. Your body is your home, and you want to take care of it from the inside out. I hope this was helpful. If it was, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you.